LEX18 Investigates has learned more details in the disappearance and kidnapping case of Rockcastle County teen Wynter Wagoner. The 13-year-old was found safe the day after Christmas.
Evening Edition's Lee Searcy shows us what newly obtained court records reveal and why other authorities not connected to this case say they're seeing a rise in online predator cases.
For nearly 3 months, there was a massive multi-state search, everyone asking, where is Wynter Wagoner? Then December 26th, a break in the case. The missing Rockcastle County teen was found hundreds of miles away in Maryland after going to Florida with a 37-year-old man named Christian Delgado. Police have said Delgado met the teen online, but we wanted to know more about how a man nearly 3 times her age was able to gain her trust and then allegedly kidnap her for nearly 3 months. So we submitted an open records request and got our hands on these court records that reveal some eye-opening information. Information that could hit close to home for any parent or guardian with a teenager in the house. In these court records, we found search warrants, what police were looking for in the hunt for Wagoner, that show a picture of a secret cell phone with a Bay Smokes sticker on the back. Authorities say the teen used the phone to communicate with Delgado. The affidavit states the teen said it was hidden in the ceiling of the downstairs bathroom at her foster home, and that the phone contains information related to her kidnapping and communication with the suspect. The documents also show an image of his phone.
We're working currently 3 cases and looking at possibly a 4th.
Bell County Sheriff Mitch Williams has nothing to do with the Delgado case, but in a week's time, he posted on Facebook that his office has worked multiple cases of juvenile victims being contacted and exploited through popular social media sites and online gaming apps.
We want to put this out for us. Parents don't have an idea of what their child could be going through, and we're wanting them to notice the red flags that come along with it and to know how to approach their child.
He says look for sudden secrecy about phone, tablet, or computer use, quickly closing apps or screens when an adult enters the room, and requests for money, gift cards, or cryptocurrency. Those are only a few of the red flags.
Are parents just in denial, clueless?
I think that some of them just were unaware of what some of these apps contain.
Detective Hunter Luttrell says monitor or disable private messaging when possible and keep devices out of the bedroom. He says if you see a problem, a username you don't recognize, block it. But he says keep it as evidence and report it immediately to authorities.
There needs to be an open discussion about these things, not just like, if you do this, if you do that, it's going to happen to you. It's like, hey, this could happen, and we're here to talk about it.
Lee Searcy, LEX18 News.
Christian Delgado is still in the Rockcastle County Jail charged with kidnapping. While investigators said they plan to pursue federal charges, it appears those haven't been filed. His next court appearance is scheduled for March.